breakfast in bed. She's a spoiled little baby. No, don't do that.
Don't looking at. Don't looking at. Don't look.
Is it better? Choo-choo. Okay, let's go. My daughter, Yasmeniya, using her Yasmeniya's Code tableware. These are the baby chicks from the beginning of the video, and then we had more hatch later, so we will be showing you those here in just a second. We are so grateful to have chickens because they literally lay eggs every day and provide us with food. This is the mama chicken where her eggs lay this day. I'm pretty sure they were probably laid after this, or maybe she's already laid them. But I noticed it and I was so excited. And she ended up getting on the ground and laying with her baby chick. But these other baby chickens down here, kid chickens, are not hers. And then there's another mama right there, and her eggs haven't hatched yet. Now this one is the mama of the chicks that hatched in the beginning of the video that I showed you first. Here is all of our roosters. We have 6 roosters in total. I love you too. This is my Lolita that I showed in the beginning of the video. My Lolita, my Lolita. I forgot to show this rooster, so I came back to show you guys. Oh yeah? What do you have?
Where's my spray?
Look at me. Look at me, Mom. Mom.
Where's our stick? Hey! Owie!
Uh-oh. Don't put your finger down there, girl. Strong, baby. Whoa, let me see.
You more.
Wow. This is that mama that's sunbathing with her little baby chick. I don't know how one got down and then the rest are in there, but that's just what happened, and it was laying with its mama. I cleaned up the yard, and now we're just... I cleaned up the yard like maybe 2 hours ago, but now we're just chilling out here. She's drinking a little bit, like the rest of my soda. And we got chalk. The mom literally just flew away as soon as I started recording the shit. I think she knows.
What side?
Still got those in it. Can you get it out? I
No
got
bargain.
I got those ones.
No
Oh,
bargain.
it's okay. You can just take it out. See if you're strong. She took it away from you.
Two.
Two. Well, I think that's the third one. That's 3. You want to get the 4th and the 5th one out? There we go. We pulled it together.
Yay.
Yay.
Baby one.
Baby one. There's a baby one, huh? The baby one? Oh, you're using the baby one, huh?
Look.
Ooh, pink.
She don't want to play beside me.
Chula's in the bathroom, taking a shower.
She want to come back?
That Chula is her papa. My husband's dad.
Should I come back? Should I come back?
My father-in-law.
Should I hear?
Yeah. What are you coloring?
So.
Huh?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry again?
Yeah.
Girl, we just ate.
And so that.
You can go eat some more if you want.
No.
You don't? Okay. We'll eat whenever we go back inside, okay?
Oh,
She don't want to go back
come
inside.
sit. Come
Okay, I'm gonna go see the chickens. She was playing at the chickens. I love the sound of like them just chirping. Then we have some chickens inside, the little babies that just hatched today. And those were the ones that were with their mama. They're so cute. Just put them in this little barrel with this light. This red light. That one's like, what are you doing? Are you just gonna leave us alone or what? I'll leave you alone. Wait, I'll show you guys up close. Actually, hold on. I wanted to get a little up close shot so you guys can see them in detail. I don't know, I'm checking the eggs again, but we already got them earlier. It's the little pin that we always get the eggs in. I mean, eggs out of when we leave this one open during the day. I think even at night. Because the big chickens, they just go in there, they know. And then they come back out in the morning. And then they, you know, eat. We haven't had any problems with hawks. So that's good. That's good because there's always a problem with hawks, you know, whenever you have chickens. So we haven't had problems with those, which is freaking amazing. Because someone brought that up and I was like, you know what? We didn't. We haven't had problems with hawks lately. I mean, at all, I don't think. I don't think we ever had a problem with a hawk, which is good. And we don't, like, shelter them or anything. The ones that are out. My husband just sent me a video, but anyways, I've been wanting to do some more content. I've been wanting to do like garden content because I'm about to start a garden since it's springtime and it's about to be summer and all that. But I have to build like a little gateway on that other side of the yard over there. I'll show you guys. But I have to build a gateway over there because I don't want the chickens to go in there and eat all the crops. So I have to make sure that it's like where they can't eat them. Then I'm gonna put like chicken wire over the garden, like over some of the plants. So we'll see how it goes though, because I'm doing a raised garden bed too, I think. So I think I'm gonna still do that. But whenever we get our farm, it's gonna be amazing. My husband called me, but hopefully you guys heard that last part. I can't remember what I said. So I'm a little tired right now because I was gonna take a nap and then I had to go somewhere. I had to run an errand, so I couldn't take it fully, but I'm ready for bed, I think. But once I get in bed, I'm just gonna stay up all night. I already know it. Like, this is how the game goes with me, you know. So yeah, just trying to see if he was peeking at me through the mirror, through the window. Yeah, I love you. She said, do you love me? She always asks me that randomly, and she always tells me she loves me randomly, and I do the same thing too.
I see them here.
Girl, what are you doing?
I just said. Where are you going?
I left a little bit of her hair out more today, so that way it could curl up. Her hair is naturally curly. I love it.
Don't drive.
I always dreamed of having curly hair, and then I had a daughter that has naturally curly hair.
Don't drive.
She has my husband's mom.
Can't drive.
My husband's mom's and my husband's curl pattern.
Drive.
But my hair texture and my hair color. I can't drive on that, girl. I'm too big. I had to rinse these off because they had spiders on them.
Hershey.
Because she hasn't rode them in a long time. So we had them put up, but I'm glad we got them out today. It's been wonderful that we are able to come outside. Girl, don't put those up to your mouth, okay, baby? Thank you. Looks like you got some on your chin, huh? Let me see. You're beautiful, Mom. I think she got some in her hair, too. Our yard is way longer than this. It's all the way out to that gravel part, like in the very back over there. Very long. But we are putting out private fence soon. A chicken just flew up there. And I don't know if I can reach it that high. But it flew up from right there all the way there. Oh, I think it's that one. But it got down. No, Yazzie, leave her alone. She always likes messing with the dog. I'm teaching her to be gentle. Good girl.
Good girl, baby.
Good job. Your pop?
Yeah.
You better drink it before bugs get in it. I'm just sitting out here. Sitting on the lawn chair. She said I farted. And I don't care if it's TMI.